Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar continues to hedge higher at the beginning of this week and now has its sights on the 60-day moving average seen around 71.7090. It is assessed the market is likely to fail as any attempt beyond 71.45 to 71.90 as the technical pattern is breaking down, and therefore a close under 71.05 would look towards the recent lows at 70.55. In light of the pattern, I feel the market can actually progress further and look towards 69.65.75 and reassess from there. Well, since the European Central Bank surprised the market with its hawkish statement last week, the view at the moment, it seems to be lacking momentum. And as the European session comes in, it's backing away from that resistance area of 114.7080 and now looking back towards 114.15. It is assessed the market can actually progress further from a close under there of New York and look back towards 113.65 to 113.05. I think the market was a little bit short. The stops went off. The rally hit the top side and now backing away. And now the market might be actually a little bit tad long or caught in a bull trap. Let's see if the market into the European session and New York can see a little bit stronger of the US dollar because the euro is weighted at 57.6 and see this market slide. The dollar yen is coming back to a slightly stronger stance as it just clips the 115.45 level. It is assessed beyond there on 115.90 to 116 should harbour or at least expect a supply or bearish ambush. I feel the market will likely foul towards this region, although there isn't enough momentum to reach. I feel that it won't sustain. Sterling a little bit weaker and still got eyes on the downside of 134.60.70 after the recent whipsaw price action late last week. The technicals are breaking down. Reassess from 134.60 because if it doesn't fail, if it fails to show any kind of bullish response, then the market may actually slide down to 134. CAD yen, well, because dollar yen's climbing a little bit, we're finding a little bit more strength coming through, or more to the fact, yen weakness. I feel beyond the resistant level of 91.15 should fail, as there are likely to be further bearish challenges as the market climbs higher towards the top side of the range around 91.80 figure. Gold, well, the market is still a little bit, more to the fact, attempting to try and break higher, but I feel that since backing from that 1,822, could actually see a move back to 1,812. In light of the pattern, I still feel the downside is vulnerable. The only part of the movement to the upside is from the tension of the recent or tensions against the Russia potentially may invade Ukraine. However, in light of the actual strength of the dollar maybe coming back, I feel that we are still looking back towards that bottom side of the range. Finishing off with oil, well, the market's playing a little bit to a weaker start into the European session as it backs away from that overbought region. Now we need to see a break underneath 88.60 to support a further slide to $86 a barrel. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, but please join me tomorrow morning for the broad outlook for the start of the day.